Hi, I'm Adam Kittrell, the shop foreman here at the Innovation Hub, and today for our virtual library, we're gonna make a tiki toss. To make your tiki toss, you're gonna need a 1-inch dowel that's 12 inches long, 2 pieces of wood approximately 8 to 10 inches long and 2.5 inches wide, 2 metal rings with a diameter of 1 inch, 2 metal eye hooks, 2 metal open-ended hooks, and a small amount of yarn or thin rope. To build your tiki toss, your first step is gonna be to cut the wood for the base and the top and the dowel. Your second step is to use a Forstner bit that's the same size as your dowel and drill partway through the base and the top. Your third step is to glue the top and bottom to the dowel. Now you're going to put hooks on the dowel and eye hooks on the top piece. Your fifth step is to tie the twine to the eye hook. Hook the metal circle on the hook that's on the dowel and tie your twine to the metal circle. Congratulations! You've now made a tiki toss. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed that video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to follow the Innovation Hub on all of our social media platforms.